Come on, buddy. Just calm down. Flies out. Solid 8, 7. That's a 15-incher. Come on. Out. Fly. There, flies out. Looks to be about 7, about a 13, almost a 14. There we go, finally. In the net. What are we looking at? Come on. Yeah, we're looking at about a 10, 16-incher. Got another strong one. Holy mackerel. The heck? I foul hook him? Yep, foul hook. There we go. Shit netting ability. I'm in the goddamn branches. Jesus Christ. There we go. Flies out. Well, the net's inside out, so he looks like a good fish. I don't know. 14 inches maybe. Five and 9. Yep, 14. Here you go, buddy.